'Twas the fourth day of IT, and all through the house no creature was stirring except this cool Razer gaming mouse. Hi, and welcome back to IT Pro TV's 12 Days of IT, where we're unboxing 12 different IT gadgets, then giving them away. Now, if you haven't already registered to win, head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up. Then tune into our YouTube Live on Friday, December 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern, and see if you're a lucky winner. You won't want to miss a day, so be sure to subscribe to this channel and jingle the bell for notifications. All right, it's time for Wes to let that mouse out. Wes, take it away.
All right, thanks, Zach. That's right. Here at the 12 Days of IT, we have got an exciting piece of hardware for you. I tell you what, I absolutely love hardware here, and this is an amazing piece of hardware that you can use in your gaming endeavors, or really for anything. This is the Razer Naga Pro, and if those of you out there that are watching are familiar with the Razer brand in general, you know that it's a highly coveted, highly sought after piece of equipment. They make all different kinds of things, and this is a modular wireless gaming mouse with a hyperspeed technology. And one of the things that's really cool is it's got the RGB built right into it, so your mouse will change colors, if you will, as you are using it. I actually have a Razer mouse too, so I'm very excited. This one might not leave the studios unless it's in my pocket. So what do you say we go ahead and we're going to open this thing up. So they got a handy little pull, if you will, piece for this sticker here. We're going to see, it looks like it's kind of bulletproof. Hopefully I can get into it. And we're going to open this up. And one of the things I tell you, I've had Razers before, is their packaging is absolutely amazing. And yeah, all right. So we have, you can kind of see some of the things about this here. It's very, very modular. It's got a lot of plates, a lot of customizations that you can do on this mouse. It's got profiles that you can create, configuring the buttons in the way that you want to, left-handed, right-handed, if you will, and just at a click of a button, it can configure those profiles and bring them back for you. All right, looks like maybe I have that upside down here. Let's go ahead and let's take this cover off and let's see what we can find. Wow, this thing is heavy. I'll tell you what, it's if that's any indication of the battery itself, it should give you an idea that the battery's probably going to last a good long while on this thing. All right, so here we go. We've got our Razer Naga Pro mouse here, and it's got your numerical keypad right there, as well as your left and right, or right or left, depending on how you have it configured. And we've got various brackets. So those of you that are gamers out there know that when you're putting in a lot of those hours gaming, this can make the ergonomics, of this mouse a lot easier on you, and definitely help with some of that repetitive strain injury for sure. Of course, I'm sure when you're gaming, you're not worried about that. But yeah, so this is the Naga Pro wireless gaming mouse. Again, highly optimized for gaming. It looks like it's got 20K DPI optical, so highly responsive. And I tell you, if you like gaming and you like hardware, you're going to have to check us out at the 12 Days of IT. So there you have it, Razer Naga Pro. Back to you, Zach.
I want to win that mouse. The other gamers wouldn't call me a noob anymore. And my cats better leave it alone, too. Hey, thanks, Wes. Would you like to win that or any of the gadgets from the 12 Days of IT? Well, then head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up. On Friday, December 10th, tune in at 2 p.m. Eastern right here for our YouTube Live and see if you're a winner. Go ahead and subscribe to the IT Pro TV YouTube channel right now and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a day. See you tomorrow for the next gift that I want. I want all the gifts. I do.